Hello! It's like there's... I think I just got bit by a skeeter. I thought I should do a video, because if I didn't do a video today, then I probably would just stop doing them altogether, because that's kind of pretty much how I feel. Boop! I was just getting ready to go out to do some 3D things. Just letting the turd herd out. The poop troop to do their little thing. You like my solution behind me? I got my firewood and to keep the sight off from the street because there's so much foot traffic. It annoys my pack, so I gotta fix some stuff. I got some lights I want to clean up. I had a really rough morning myself. What's happening? A really rough morning. I don't think I can eat meat anymore at all. Nope. I think that my body has gotten to a point that it just is gonna start rejecting it because they put it, and it's not the meat. It's not the meat so much, it's the poison, the toxins that they put in the meat that they don't have to put in the meat because enough people buy it that you don't have to preserve it. And what do you care, USDA? You leave frickin' meat in a frickin' broken down train for 3 days, car for 3 days, and it's good. I want to start hearing about the USDA disclosures of grossness. But there's a lot of those in that good old boys club. Luna! What else? Yeah, I had a energetic shift to the point of, well, pretty much I was just laying there going, alright, whenever this is done, I'll get up and start my day, because pretty much couldn't move. I don't like that shit. Because if I'm not careful, it can freak me out and scare the shit out of me. Then I remember what's happening, and it's like, oh yeah, it's just weird for everybody. I'm glad I know what this stuff is about. I really feel awful for the people that have no idea what's happening to their bodies, that just think they're having a heart attack. You know, literally think because their body frequency is increasing, is getting faster, it's moving quicker. It's why it's already June. Nearabouts. Christmas is just around the corner. We're gonna start seeing frickin' 4th of July stuff because it's fucking May. Dude, that's why frickin' people speed time up, so you frickin' have that rapidy feeling and buy more and do more, which incidentally, you can tell it's frickin' like, I don't know, it's funny because when spring comes around, I've talked about this in my other videos about how people just buy shit to put the stuff in their house, in their garage, to make room for their shit, and then they sell it in spring to make more money to buy more shit. Why don't you give that shit away to people that fucking don't have anything? Just give it away. You already spent the money on it. It's gone. I gave so much stuff away before I purged 15 years of collecting shit in Omaha. And then when I moved away, and then frickin' when Loretta moved out, she had frickin' 60 years of shit that she's collected. Why do people want to carry that stuff around? Does it make you a bigger person? Benny, nobody's in your dirt hole, Benny! He usually does that when someone's in his dirt hole. My skin is so sensitive. I'm not used to all the sensitivity. It's not, I just freaking push through and go on. I don't like to stop, to take pause, and to allow, and all this shit. So, I think my whole attitude is revolving around the fact that Uranus is leaving Aries and moving into Taurus, And all I have to say about that is good fucking riddance, Uranus, you wily bastard. Get out of my house. So, I'm a little antsy to say the least. What else is going on? Yep, so I gotta eat cleaner. Karmic retribution is pretty much instant. So it's like, if you're a freaking jerk to your sister, you're probably gonna stub your toe tonight on the way to the bathroom in the middle of the night when you're half asleep. Stuff like that. I mean, it's weird. Freaking people in Hawaii are living my nightmares as a child, because I grew up just south of freaking... It was weird, because like Mount Lassen is the last volcano erupted. It was east of Redding, and then Shasta's north, but Shasta's active and Lassen's not. But anyway, I don't know how how it stands now, but I used to freaking, because like we always had freaking shit cars and stuff because we were so poor, and you know, they'd start talking about earthquakes and stuff like that, and you know, active volcanoes, and in my mind there's a molten river of lava coming at our house and we can't escape, kind of stuff. And that's kind of what that like people are experiencing over there. Not that they can't escape, because it's not like it's rushing molten lava, but it freaking hurts my heart to watch these houses being consumed. It's so powerful to see nature, and I've known that because I used to body surf on the rare occasions that we'd get to go on outings with Dad. After we fucking would clean the yard for fucking 4 hours, he'd take us to the beach for a dip. So we go body surfing. It's that lesson that I appreciate, that it's worth the work that we had to do to get the reward. But and I don't know if you've ever like been in the ocean where a wave, you get on the wrong part of it and it freaking smacks you to the bottom. Yep. And I think that I was like 12, 13 when 11, 12 when that happened. And I mean, I've always respected the ocean anyway, but that just instantly gave me a lesson where to never be on the wave. Yep. So, it's, nature's very, very powerful. And it does a lot of things we don't know about, because human beings have this ego that they put in there, and they put in there what they think they know, not based on, you know, the observations of actually looking around them. They just let themselves into the other part of the yard that I don't want them, because I have to move some dirt, and I don't want them in it. So, good. I just wish I could be just, you know, that much more jovial. I just do. I wish I could be bouncing around like Robert Smith and Love Cats, but I don't have any juice, and I get to go get some provisions. I'm gonna have a nice light dinner. I had a freaking peanut butter and jelly sandwich, or peanut butter and honey, not jelly, for brunch. Just eat when you can eat. Drink what you want. I got this. I've been freaking working on this since yesterday. Mango, the day before yesterday. I just, you know, my body just doesn't want dense food. It wants fresh food. Clean food. Food that has been grown close proximity of where I live. Food. But I know once I get out and about and around people, I'll start clowning around and I'll feel better about stuff. It's just, you know, the best thing we can do is get to know our body and know what are red and white and what are white flags. Because sometimes your body is just waving a white flag to just be at peace. But we aren't doctors, you know. Sometimes our energy gets so twisted up, our heart gets confused and beats are irregular. Best way to, you know, a doctor is probably better in line. When I get real worked up, I literally pound on my chest to steady myself. They do it in Africa. Yep. What else? Yesterday I didn't get out a whole lot because it was, oh, that's another thing. Freaking, I was so cold this morning. I was cold. Like cold. That was another thing. I was so cold that I did not like it because I run so hot, and to be that cold, you know, it's another one of those things that if I'm not careful, I could throw myself into fear. So, alright, here we go. All the mowing. God, it's like every freaking day. Grass doesn't grow that quick here. But I should probably get on my way anyway. I hope you all have a rad day. Oh, this is my t-shirt. This is my mission. Straight people like rainbows too. It's the color spectrum. Because I'm a spectrometer. We all are. Because it all really only matters what if you vibe high or vibe low. Color your shade, it doesn't freaking mean anything. People need to stop talking like race, like there ought to be a winner. It's stupid. So, I like to take photos. I'm on Instagram. Same spelling as my You The Two page here. Third eye activated. I hope you all have a rad day. Peace.